The 2026 Pontiac Firebird, a quantum leap into the retro future. Legends speak of a 2026 Pontiac Firebird, not forged in Detroit's factories, but summoned from the very fabric of automotive nostalgia. This isn't a car, it's a temporal anomaly, a chrome-plated paradox, a fever dream on wheels. The mythical origins. Whispers claim it's powered by a flux capacitor V8, capable of bending spacetime with every rev. Its exhaust fumes are said to contain traces of 80s hairspray and the essence of rock and roll. The design, a chaotic fusion of classic Firebird lines and cyberpunk aesthetics, is rumored to shift and morph depending on the observer's emotional state. One moment, it's a sleek muscle car; the next, a neon-drenched time machine. The quantum powertrain. Forget horsepower, this Firebird operates on nostalgia units. The more memories it evokes, the faster it goes. It's said to achieve speeds that defy the laws of physics, leaving behind a trail of synthesized saxophone solos. The infotainment system, a sentient AI named KITT 2.0, communicates in cryptic pop culture references and offers existential advice. It's rumored to have access to every 80s song ever recorded. The existential driving experience. Driving the 2026 Firebird isn't about getting from A to B, it's about transcending reality. It's a journey into the collective unconscious of automotive enthusiasts. The handling is said to be dreamlike, allowing the driver to drift through traffic like a phantom, leaving behind a trail of bewildered onlookers. The car is also said to have the ability to manifest old Pontiac dealerships from the past, for those who long for that new car smell from a bygone era. The cultural phenomenon is an unreliable narrative. This Firebird, it's not a car, but a shared hallucination. A collective imagining of what could be, and never will be. It is the perfect car.